आइए इस वीडियो में देखते हैं आज का जो 8 सितंबर को पेपर हुआ था आरईआर का, उसके सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देखते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन था, विच मिनिस्ट्री इज मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेज सच एज विंड पावर, स्मॉल हाइड्रो, बायोगैस एंड सोलर पावर। द आंसर इज योर सी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था, वेयर इज द फर्स्ट ऑयल वेल ड्रिल्ड इन एशिया? इट इज़ आसाम, इंडिया। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। And third question is, which of the following non-renewable energy is not classified under a fossil fuel? Answer is A, nuclear. Then fourth question is, the world's first 100% solar powered airport located at Cochin, Kerala. Answer is A. Fifth question is, solar cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity. Answer is photovoltaic effect, A. Then sixth question is, a boiling water reactor and pressurized water reactions are. Answer is your solar reactor, A. Then seventh is, the average distance between the sun and earth is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer. So option A is correct. A fuel cell in order to produce electricity burns hydrogen. Option A is correct. The process that converts solid coal into liquid hydrocarbon fuel is called your liquefaction. Option D is correct. Then 10th question, which of the following is the correct arrangement in the increasing order of use of non-conventional energy sources in India? So option C is correct. Biomass is less than solar is less than small hydro plants is less than wind energy. Next question is, the hole on Earth's surface from where the steam from the Earth comes out is called as fumarole. Fumarole. Okay, so option D is correct here. And next question, what is the time period for one tide to occur in a day? Option A is correct, 6 hours 12.5 minutes. Okay, so next question is, 13th answer is your first. The biomass is a renewable energy resource derived from plants and animal waste. So option A is correct only. So option A is correct here. In next question 14, on what is two pool tidal system is less dependent? Tidal fluctuation. B is correct. 15th is, reflector mirrors used for exploiting the solar energy are called heliostats. Option B is correct here. Then sixth question, 17th question is, collection efficiency of flat plate collector can be improved by both A and B. Then 18th, 19th, and then 20th is, maximum efficiency of solar collector is obtained in parabolic dish collector. Then 21st is C, both A and B. 22 no. 23 is A, the zenith angle is the angle made by the sun's rays with the normal to a horizontal surface. Then 25th is, the complement of zenith angle is solar altitude angles. 26th is, I think it is option A, you may verify with the internet. 27th is, when two batteries are connected in parallel, it should be ensured that they have same EMF. 28th is, all of the above. The open circuit voltage of any storage cell depends wholly upon all of the above. 29 is, magnetohydrodynamics power generation requires fixed magnets. Then 30th is option A, eliminates combustion of fuel. Fuel cell converts chemical energy to electrical energy using a reaction. So in last 31st is your, in dry steam hydrothermal plant we use Rankine cycle. Okay. And 32 is, hydrothermal fluids are both A and B, corrosive and abrasive in nature. Then the fuel cell is considered a battery in which both fuel and oxidizer is continuously replaced. Then 34th is, which of the these used should not be a properties of fuel cell electrodes? Option D is correct, take part in chemical reactions here. Option H2O is correct here. Hydrocarbons cracked with steam in fuel cells do not give rise to H2O. Then 36th is, which of these fuel cells operate at high temperature? Molten carbon fuel cell. 37th is, the following are types of geothermal resource, all of the above. 38th is, the following plant runs on binary cycle is liquid dominated low temperature plant. Option C is correct here. 39th is, the following are the visible signs of the large amount of heat lying in the earth's interior is. Option D is correct, all of the above here. 40th is 50 degrees centigrade, binary geothermal power plants, the hot water is passed by a secondary fluid with less boiling point then. Okay, so it is 50 degree. Energy means the ability of the ability of a system to do work. Okay, so 41 option C is correct. 42, the what is the working fluid in a closed cycle MHD system, helium and argon. 43 is what type of windmills are termed as crosswind axis machines? It is horizontal axis windmills. 44th, the answer will be electrons, the particles emitted from hot cathode surface. At room temperature, electron cannot escape metal surface due to attractive force of nucleus. Okay, so option A is correct here. 46th, the thermionic generator is essentially which kind of device? Is a low voltage high current. 47th is operation of thermocouple is governed by all of the above. It is Peltier effect, Seebeck effect, Thomson effect. All the above is correct. Total Seebeck effect can be found used as partly Peltier and partly Thomson effect. Option C is correct. Then disadvantage of thermoelectric effect is low efficiency, 5 to 10%. What are used to turn wind energy into electrical energy? It is A, turbine. Then 51 is the amount of energy available in the wind at any instant is proportional to square power of the wind speed. Option C. What are wind turbines? These are the devices that convert wind kinetic energy into mechanical energy here. Force is responsible for forcing the global wind towards western direction is Coriolis. Okay, option A is correct here. Then the following factors affects distribution of wind energy is all of the above. Which of the following element is used as thermocouple in nuclear reactor? Is boron. Wind intensity can be described by Beaufort number. Okay, Beaufort number. It's C. Then 57th is difference between water height and high tide, and water height at low tide is called your tidal range. The what tide of tide? It is called when two high tides and low tides of approximately equal size occur. It is called as semi-diurnal tide. Okay, 59th is the ocean thermal energy concept was proposed in 1881 by Arson D. Arsnoval. Okay, option A is correct here. The first OTEC plant is constructed in 1930. Option A. In closed OTEC cycle, the working fluid is propane, or you can say your ammonia here. Option A is correct. The ocean thermal energy conversion is uses temperature difference. Option B. Open cycle OTEC system produces water. Option A is correct. Desalinated. Then in OTEC, the heat exchanger condenses the vapor into a liquid which is recycled. Option A. Then waves are caused indirectly by solar energy. B is correct. Tides are produced by gravitational interaction of moon and sun with the earth. Option D is correct here. Neap tides occur when the earth, sun and moon forms an angle of 90 degree here. Option B. Tidal energy utilize both A and B here. Option C. Then anaerobic fermentation is how many stage process? It is 2 stage. Option B here. And last question, which is the most suitable temperature for the production of biogas and anaerobic fermentation? It is option A, 32 to 35 degrees centigrade. I hope it is helpful for you. So please subscribe this channel. So thank you so much.